Alright guys, we are back today to unbox the Mojave Grom BLX 3S. This is a little truck that promises to be a lot of fun. So let's open it up. Let's get to it. Alright, let's get into this thing. I have the brushed Mojave Grom already, and that thing is a lot of fun. I actually find myself using that lately more than most of the other RCs I have, because it's just so convenient to take anywhere and just have a go with it. It's a oh, that's a good looking truck. Black, a little bit of gray and bronze. That's a good looking truck. But yeah, these small scale trucks, man, they're so easy to take anywhere, and they're building them better and better, and they can handle a lot of abuse. I mean, I take my brushed one to the skate park and it just takes it, no problem. Didn't really think it needed to be faster, but they released a faster version. Better believe we're going to buy it. So this one does come with all metal gears, so should be able to handle 3S power, no problem. Let's get it off of this thing here and see what else you get. Alright, so there it is. That's how the clipless body. It's becoming the standard nowadays, everything clipless, and I'm here for it. Those pins are a pain, but yeah, here's a look at the chassis. You got a 2-in-1 speed controller ESC there, little Spectrum motor there. There's that 4500 kV. Yeah. So no optional gearing in it, so it claims 50 plus miles per hour out of the box, so that should be literally right out of the box. Comes with the SLT2 controller, and well, there's not really anything else to do but charge some batteries and get it out there. You want to run it on 2S, speed test it there, see if there's any improvement over the brushed on 2S. I think mine brushed one did 22 miles per hour right out of the box. Then put the 3S in there, speed test it again, take it out for a proper drive. So let's do that. Alright, 2S battery charged. See how this thing goes. Oh wow, that's way punchier than the brushed version. Wow, it's on 2S. That's way faster. That's probably, I don't know how fast that is, but way faster than the brush one. I think my brush one only did 22. Yeah, this thing's a lot of fun. Let's get the GPS on it, see how fast it is on 2S. Alright, got the GPS on. See what it does. Start. Alright, here we go. Alright. Survey says stop. 34 right out of the box. The brush version did 22. So on 2S, same battery. That's a massive improvement. Yeah, let's see what it's going to do on 3S. Alright guys, 3S battery in it. Let's see what this thing does. Oh wow. Wow, that is crazy. Hey. Oh, let's put the GPS on that. I gotta see. Let's see. Hopefully it stays on. Alright. track, start. All right. That thing got very sideways. Oh, that's crazy how fast that is. Stop. Stop. Read. Thinking. Well, any minute now. Read. 45. Alright. I think we should try it again. It says it's good for 50 plus. That's still moving for a little 118 scale. Alright, start. Let's see if we can keep it straighter this time. I don't know if it went any faster or not, but that thing's so much fun. Alright, stop. 46. Alright. Let's do one more go. One more. Start. Hello. Well, stop.
Hi.
Hello. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah.
I want to buy that. I want to buy that in the store. I see you later. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
47. A little faster. Bye. A little faster. Got the Mojave out here, skate park. I don't do anything too crazy with it. Just gonna drive it around, see what kind of fun you can have with it. But it's still got a 3S battery in it. It's a little fun. Oh no! Extra punch, this thing. Definitely makes it a lot different experience versus the brushed one. And the brushed one was a lot of fun out here. Haha, saved it. Yeah, this thing's a lot of fun. I said these 1/18 scales, man, they're at least for me becoming well more popular. Just don't take up much space. You can grab a couple of them with the family, just go out, play with them at the park, skate park, the driveway, it don't matter. Yep. I am a fan. This thing's a lot of fun. Alright, this thing is a absolute blast to drive. Very fast. Fast on 2S, fast on 3S. I think we did 34 on 2S, 47 on 3. Just stable, ton of fun. I really enjoy this truck. I really enjoyed the brush version as well. Did 22 miles per hour with that one. You can't go wrong with either one, guys. It's these little trucks are just so much fun. They can do so much. You can take them anywhere. Don't take up any kind of room. And you and the family go out and drive them, beat them up, throw them back in the car, and head home. But yeah, if I was to buy another one, I think I'd get the brushless again. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I said, I think this truck's a ton of fun, and don't know what kind of upgrades they're going to have for it, but you know, I don't really think it needs any. But thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.